My name is Falgolski and this is Lowcoder. Our aim is to provide you the very best, most modern and versatile application development platform that exists. And so we develop a lot of features. Every some weeks we release and magic functions appearing everywhere. Some of them we really need to describe, and therefore here's our series of tutorial videos so you can access all the value that is already possible and find also the magic hidden functions that are already offered inside of our platform. And now let's start. As you see, this screen is already quite full. That is the maximum that you can see when you actually develop applications. We are here in the section where everything is accessible, but that means a lot of clutter and a lot of buttons and things. Let's go briefly through. So you have seen the different possible screen configurations and also where to access which functionality. The main difference that we did is to have on the one side a layout and a logic mode. That means that some of you want to lay out applications and build beautiful apps, and other ones want more to focus to the logic part of it, to develop the functionality, to bind all the data, making the event handlers doing the magic in the background. Currently, we look for the both modus when you see really everything. If you only want to focus to layout, we have this possibility. You see there are panels disappearing, so you can really look only to this main canvas area where you place and where you lay out your application. And also you can see that this has an effect on the properties on the right side. Now here we focus only to styling properties, where the logic mode will show you only properties that are relevant for event handling, for advanced settings, for everything that has more to do with programming an application. So these both modes help either what you want to do with this Lowcoder to focus on the one or the other possibility. Next to it, and we have our both modes, you can also have the panels switched on and off. That is also very handy. Quite frequent this lower data panels in a way, so I switch them off here and you can then just make a bit more space and see how your app would behave and look on bigger screens. We hope you enjoyed these tutorials, and if you like it, please like it. Share it with your colleagues, with partners and other people that may be interested to create apps really fast.